Hello everyone and welcome back with Learn with Chris Designs. Okay, so I want to talk about text now. Okay, and to do your text or to create a text, what you need to do is to click on the T here and you simply type, let's say empowering ng. Oh, what am I writing? Empower. Okay, so by the properties panel, you'd see the typography properties, right? Um, the font, the typeface, which is cabin growth sec. Okay, you can change it. You can see they're changing. Yeah, yeah. And we have the bold. You could change the thickness or the font weight and the size as well. Yeah, see it's reducing. So other these are align properties. Right, I mean left, center, right. This is for line height. Depends on how the text looks, you can always tweak that. And also line spacing, you could tweak that. Also, this is also alignment for top, middle, and bottom. This is an extra uh, type settings you could do. Alignment, basically, we've talked about it. Some decorations you can underline or strike through. There are others you could check out. For case, is it capital? I mean, is it uppercase? Is it lower? Is it title case like starting with the capital and the rest? Okay, so that's that about the typeface property. Okay, so now let's get to making our text this way. But before that, I want to show you how to make your text responsive. Remember in the last two videos I mentioned we need constraints and we need auto layouts. Okay, so basically let's put this in the frame first and then we put it in our auto layout. Okay, and we click inside this and set it at fill container, and now we go to our constraint settings and we set it to left or right for that's for horizontal. Now you see what happens when we move our frame. You can see that our text is responsive. Okay, so that's that about our text. In the next video we will move to completing our navigation bar, since now we know about we've done our logo previously, we know about text. Now this is still text with auto layout. We know about buttons, right? We've talked about buttons. Okay, yeah, so see you.